Hey students, it's Miss Pipel. And if you are opening your screen and seeing this little sign, that means, by the way, this is my sub, that one of two things happened. I might have to step away from my computer during class time or during office hours. Had this happen last week as I'm pulling up Coco. In the middle of a class last week, I had to take the dog out urgently, and my daughter, my 8-year-old daughter, was my sub, and I called Mr. Lopez and he joined my class, and they subbed my class while I took my dog out. So again, if you see my sub, that means I will be back momentarily. Either had to go to the door for something, hopefully don't have to take my dog out urgently again, maybe need to check on something for my daughter, but I will be right back. So please don't go anywhere if you see my sub. Thank you and have a great day. Oh, maybe I'll give you extra credit too. If you come in and have a sub, you'll get extra credit maybe.